100 grams of rich tea, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of cocoa powder, 110 grams of caster sugar and 60 grams of peanut butter and some kitchen. First of all, take your rich tea biscuits, pop them in the bowl and smash them up. Pop in your cocoa powder, your sugar, and with the peanut butter, and finally in with the butter, and then mix all this up. Now you have to persist with it. It'll take a good 2 or 3 minutes minimum to mix it all together, but that's what it should look like. Grab your tin foil. You want a piece probably just a bit longer than your arm. Take the contents of the bowl onto the foil, and we're going to squash it into a shape roughly like a Swiss roll. When you're happy with the shape, we're just going to wrap this up and pop that in the fridge for a couple of hours. So after a couple of hours in the fridge, it's ready to eat. So there we have Portuguese fridge cake.